Hello, everyone, and welcome to Online Money, the place where we bring you the best tips and strategies for affiliate marketing success. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best ways to promote Digistore affiliate offers and maximize your earning potential. If you are new to affiliate marketing or looking to up your game, Digistore is a great platform to start with. With thousands of digital products to choose from, it's a gold mine for affiliate marketers. But with so much competition, how do you stand out and make your offers irresistible to potential buyers? That's what we are going to cover in the video. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay guys, back to my laptop screen. Now, for this method, the first step we have to take is head over to Digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. What this means is that instead of you creating a product and selling it online, Digistore offers an already created product so that you have to sell it and earn commission instead of creating a product from scratch. So now all we have to do is to sign up, and in my previous videos I have shown you how to sign up to Digistore24. So without wasting much time, I have to log into my account so that we can continue. Okay, so after I've logged into my account, I have to head over to the marketplace and then come over to these tabs here. I found one good product that can be found in the dating, love and relationships niche here. So this product I'm talking about is his secret obsession, insane conversions and 90%. So this is the product I was talking about. So using the first way of promoting this product, we have to head over to Quora.com. So the first method of promoting this is to head over to Quora.com and sign up. You can sign up using Google or Facebook. So I have an account here already, so I'll just quickly log in. So after we have logged in, this will be the interface that will be showing. So Quora is a website where people come to ask questions and get answers. So to promote this product, we have to think like people who want to find solutions to their problems. So as you can see, let's go back to the Digistore product. So he said his secret obsession. That means this one is talking about dating, how to make someone like you. So all you have to do is just come back to Quora, then search for a question like, how do I maintain my love relationship? Yes, so just click on the search here. So after it has finished loading, you just have to come here onto the under the by type and click on the questions to sort by only questions. So all we have to do is just scroll through these questions to find the one that will be very suitable for what we are doing. So all we have to do is just scroll through. So this one says, what are some tips for long distance relationship? So this one also say, what makes a relationship last long? So you can go for this and answer this person's question here. Just click on the answer button, and all you have to do is just copy this and head over to ChatGPT or head over to chat.openai.com/chat and paste in the person's question, and then wait for it to generate an answer for the person. So here we are just taking the questions from Quora, we paste it in ChatGPT, it generates answers for us, we send it back to them with our affiliate link attached, and we get paid. So just see how simple and easy this method is. Stay tuned, make sure to like and subscribe. So after ChatGPT has finished generating the answer for you, all you have to do is just copy the answer it gave you, then go back to Quora.com and paste it as your answer. And after you are done, after you are done pasting your answer into Quora, just click on the enter key twice and type, and you can type something like, you can make your relationship last forever. Last forever by clicking here. Then the next step we have to take is to go back to Digistore24 and copy our affiliate link. But before we come to Quora to paste it, we have to go to a site called bit.ly.com. So after pasting after this, the next step we have to take is to go back to Digistore24 and copy our affiliate link. I have to copy our affiliate link. Then instead of going to Quora to paste it, we have to go to bit.ly.com to shorten this link before pasting, because if you paste the link directly into your answer on Quora, your answer might be deleted. So all we have to do is just paste the link here and click on shorten. So after it has been shortened, you just click on copy, and now it has been copied to our clipboard. Now we have to go back to our Quora answer, just highlight this portion and click on this place. Then we have to click on maybe bold and italic. Then we click on this chain icon here. Then we paste our link which we copied from bit.ly.com and click on add. Then we have to just click on post. And within a few seconds, our answer will be posted. As you can see here, my answer has been posted. So this is the first method of promoting Digistore24 offers. The second method is to go over to a site called medium.com. Medium.com is a site where you can host blog articles. So we will just be promoting the Digistore offers through blog posts. So all we have to do is just click on the get started button, and we can sign up with either Google, Facebook or email. But I have an account already with them, so I'll just quickly sign in. So after you have signed in or signed up, all you have to do is click on this right button. So when you click on the right button, it opens this window for you. And at this point, you may be thinking, but how can I write the blog article here? So without wasting much time, all we have to do is just go back to ChatGPT and give it a command to here. So after ChatGPT has finished writing all the blog posts for us, all we have to do is just copy the title, which we inputted here, and then we head over to medium.com, paste the title, make this one capital. All we have to do is just make this one capital, and then we go back to ChatGPT, copy the contents, we copy what it wrote for us, then we head over to medium.com once again, and then we paste it here. Then we come down and type you can make your relationships last longer, last even longer by clicking here. And all we have to do is just highlight, clicking here, and make it bold, italic, and then we head over to, and we go back to Bit.ly, just copy our link once again, come back, then we reselect this, we click on the chain icon here, then we paste our link, click on enter, and now we have to click on publish, and we add so here just add the topic once more, so here just add the topic once more, and we click on publish now, and as you can see, our story is published, and now people can read. And now people can read our story. And when they come down here, they can click here, and it will send them to the sales page of this product. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more of these videos.